Should I call a professional repair service or try to fix my Whirlpool fridge freezer myself?
Hello there, and welcome to today's topic of discussion. We'll be addressing a common question many of us have when our appliances start to act up. Should I try to fix my Whirlpool fridge freezer myself, or should I call a professional repair service? Let's explore this in more depth.
What's the problem with your fridge freezer?
The first thing we need to assess is what's actually going wrong with your Whirlpool fridge freezer. Common issues could include it not cooling properly, making unusual noises, or leaking water. Some problems are relatively straightforward to fix, while others require more technical knowledge.
Are you comfortable with DIY repairs?
Next, let's consider your comfort level with do-it-yourself repairs. Are you handy around the house? Do you have experience with basic appliance repair? Some fixes may be as simple as replacing a blown fuse or adjusting the thermostat, tasks that could be within the capability of a DIY enthusiast. But remember, always put safety first.
When should you definitely call a professional?
There are certainly cases where a professional should be involved. If the issue involves the refrigeration cycle, compressor, condenser, evaporator, or the refrigerant itself, or if electrical issues are suspected, you're likely better off with a professional repair service. These types of repairs can be risky if not done properly and may require specific tools or certifications to handle.
The cost-benefit analysis.
Finally, think about the cost implications. While DIY repairs can save you the cost of professional service, you'll need to factor in the price of any required parts and tools, as well as your time. A botched DIY job can end up being more expensive in the long run if it leads to more damage or if the issue isn't fixed correctly the first time. So, should you fix your Whirlpool fridge freezer yourself or call a professional? It depends on the severity of the problem, your comfort level with repairs, and the potential costs involved. When in doubt, it's usually safer and more effective to call in a professional. After all, the goal is to get your fridge freezer running smoothly again with minimal fuss and expense. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this information helps you make the best decision.